Hey, what up? It's BounceDJ representing the Miami Bounce Machine. And today we are going to be unboxing the brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro. I've been waiting for this day for a very long time. I cannot wait any longer. It is time. Let's go. All right, so to my left, we have the 2015 MacBook Pro 13-inch with 1 TB of solid state storage and only 8 GB of memory. To my right, we have the brand new MacBook Pro 14-inch space gray with the Apple M1 chip, 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, 1 TB of solid state storage, and a whopping 32 GB of unified memory. So I wanted to upgrade this MacBook just because I am a DJ, video editor, and also a music producer, and I wanted to use something that can handle all the brand new software that is available. So let's check it out. All right. Anyone who's ever purchased a brand new laptop, you know this is the moment of truth right here. All right, so number one thing I noticed, they're fairly the same size. This one's just a little bit larger. Again, this is a 14.4-inch screen. This one has a 13.3-inch screen. And also, first impression is very solid laptop compared to this one right here. A little bit lighter, but this one is solid. Nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, it just turns on for you right there immediately. Now, we're not going to get into the actual software or migration just yet. This is just an unboxing. Let's put you off to the side here. Let's see what it comes with. So I got this, see if there's anything hidden. We just have the basic manuals. We'll put that off to the side. And we do have the charger along with the cable. Now this is the USB-C connection. The one thing you're going to find out about this MacBook, this one does have 3 USB-C connections on there. So now the one thing you may need to do is get an extension or an adapter rather, as this piece comes out. And you just have something that's a little bit easier to connect to your wall, as opposed to this big block. But just one thing we need to purchase. Put you off to the side. Now while this starts up, here are some of the adapters that I had purchased. Now this is the USB-A to USB-C adapter. So if you have an original USB, how a lot of us are used to, this will allow you to connect to the MacBook. I also have an external hard drive, 2 TB. The great thing about this one, and we're going to be using this to transfer all of our files, music files, videos, anything that I intend to use in the new MacBook. The great thing about this one, this is a Toshiba Canvio Flex. This comes with the 2 cables. So it comes with the USB Type-C and Type-A cables. So this is great. So you don't have to purchase an additional cable to use this one. And you can use this with Mac and PC or PC. So like I said, first impression, I love the feel. It's nice and solid. Now we're going to get into the process of it. I'm going to mess with it, and I'll give you my thoughts on what I think about it. But there we go. MacBook Pro. All right, I can't wait to test this baby out, the 14-inch MacBook Pro. I'm going to be doing several more videos on my process, how I transfer my music and video files, as well as test it out with other apps. If you're interested, please subscribe to our channel. My name is BounceDJ, representing the Miami Bounce Machine, and I'll see you around the way.